Hi everyone. Today I am come with another beautiful stitch pattern. It's called Chevron and it's 4-row pattern, and it's a wrong side it's look like this and right side it's look like this. It's beautiful and we need to cast on multiples of 8, and let's begin how to do. I cast on 18 stitches, 2 sets of 8 and plus 2 edge stitches, and start with first row. And first row um, we need per one knit 3. We need to repeat this one. I take it off my edge stitch and I'm starting with my 1 purl and 3 knits. 1 2 3, and repeat again. Purl 1, knit 3, 1 knit, 2 knit and 3 knit, and purl again and 3 knit, 1 knit, 2 knit and 3 knit, and again repeat. 1 purl and 3 knit, 1 knit, 2 knit, 3 knit, and my edge stitch I am purl edge stitch. Okay, and this is my second row. Second row I am going to slip first one, and then I'm start with my repeat section. Knit 1 and 5 purls. 1 2 3 purl, 4 purl, 5 purl, and then knit 1, purl 1, and again I am starting my repeat section. Knit 1, 5 purls. 1 2 3 4 5, 5 purl and knit 1 and purl 1, and this is my edge stitch. I am going to purl edge stitch. Okay, then now my third row I'll skip first edge stitch and then start with 2 knit, 1 knit, 2 knit, 1 purl and 3 knits. 1 2 3, 3 knits and 1 purl and 1 knit. Again 1 knit, and I'm starting repeat section again. 2 knit, 1 knit and 2 knits and 1 purl, 1 and 3 knits. 1 knit, 2 knit and 3 knits, and now again purl and knit, and this is my edge stitch. I am purling my edge stitch. Now my fourth row I am going to skip my edge stitch. I'm not sorry, and my repeat section. 2 purl, 1 purl, 2 purl, 1 knit, 1 purl, one knit again, and 3 pulls. 1 2 3 3 pulls, and I need to start my row again. 2 purl, 1 purl, 2 purl, and 1 knit, 1 purl, 1 knit, and 3 purls. 1 purl, 2 purl, 3 purl, and this is my edge stitch. I'm purling always my edge stitch, and this is the 4 row. 4 row. Okay. I'm come back again with few more rows. After few rows, our stitch pattern is look like this. Look at this chevron, it's very beautiful. And this is the wrong side, it's the right side. I hope you enjoy my video. I will meet again with another beautiful stitch pattern. See you. Bye bye.